Hi everyone. I would like to present our study, a comparative study of teachers' technology self-efficacy between the US and the South Korea. My name is Jackie Kim. I'm from Georgia Southern University. And then my co-presenters are Young-hee Lee from Dangung University in Korea, Sunong Hwang, University of Houston, Dr. Ho Lim Song, Texas Southern University. So after COVID-19 pandemic hit the world, Korean administration was more geared toward the technology integration and distance learning. So recently in 2023, Korean Ministry of Education announced the digital-based education innovation that includes the introduction of AI digital textbook by 2025 and provision of the customized lesson for students through collaboration between teachers and AI assistant and intensive training of leading teachers in technology integration. So as you can see, their innovative technology is incorporated in their education innovation. But education innovation cannot succeed through technological innovation alone. That their innovation, we have to realize that teachers play an important role in transforming classroom and lesson. So we are focusing on teachers. So despite a lot of the importance of strengthening teachers' technology competence, there's not much research on this topic in Korea. So this study, there's especially there's a lack of study in teachers' efficacy. So this study is focused on teachers' efficacy, and then we also would like to compare teachers' efficacy between America and Korean teachers. So we try to draw implication by comparing them. So here's our 3 research questions. What is the level of teacher efficacy in technology integration among Korean and American teachers? And then number 2, how does the levels of teacher efficacy in technology integration differ according to the personal background factor of Korean and American teachers? And what are the levels of teacher efficacy in technology integration among teachers in Korea and the US, and do they differ by personal background factor? So let's look at the theoretical framework. We're looking at the literature review that reported what influenced teachers' use of technology. So what do you think? And Richard said there is the teacher readiness overall support, teacher computer literacy is positively influence teachers' use of technology. However, teachers' years of teaching experiences negatively influence the teachers' use of technology. That means older teachers that try to not use technology. And then we also learn that teacher training is also positively influenced on teachers' use of technology. But researcher found out self-efficacy is one of the major factor that influence teachers' technology use. So what is the self-efficacy? Basically, self-efficacy is teachers believe that they're capable of using technology. So the researchers also materialized teacher efficacy in technology teacher integration. They call technology teachers self-efficacy. That means teachers believe and attitude about oneself in utilizing technology. But there is a lack of research on this potential role of teacher efficacy. So this study is investigating on this topic. So in this study, there's 56 Korean K-12 Korean teachers and 46 American teachers were participated in this study. And here's demographic information of our participants. So we use survey method, and we use the instrument called the Technology Integration Confidence Scale version 3. It is developed by Dr. Gomez. We received his permission to use this instrument. This instrument includes 25 questions using a 5-point Likert scale. This instrument is developed based on the international standards for technology education. This survey instrument was divided into the 5 domains: technology usage, technology application, technology infused learning, technology literacy, and digital citizenship, and technology supported assessment. We developed the online survey using Google Form, and we conducted t-test and ANOVA to analyze the data. So here's our findings. So we found American teachers is reported higher self-efficacy than Korean teachers overall. And we're looking at the by domains. So we're looking at the 5 different domains. And then all this, across these 5 domains, US teacher reported a higher level of efficacy. So here's the table. So we also looking at the compare teacher efficacy by background factor. Then all these 5 different background factor, US teacher had a high level of self-efficacy in school level, by school level, and by years of teaching experience, by gender, and or teacher training experience. All these background factor, American teachers had high level of self-efficacy. But we also find a very interesting result. It was not in the survey, it was in the demographic information, but this response shows meaningful results. That is, Korean teachers participated 1.54 training per year, but American teachers participated in 5.24 trainings per year. That's more than 3.5 times more American teachers participate in the training. We believe this implication of this finding is significant. So here's their training comparison between American teachers and Korean teachers. So conclusion. So in summary, Korean teachers have lower self-efficacy across all domains and all background factor. But we also so it's a high level of the American teachers' self-efficacy. We believe that it is not based on the personal background factor, it's rather digital teachers' training experience. So Koreans should consider they need to be strengthen their teachers' training approaches. So one of the Korean researchers find out that in Korea, roles and responsibility for technology infrastructure and teacher training are centralized in the Ministry of Education. But in US, roles and responsibility to technology infrastructure and teacher training are shared among state and local schools. So effectiveness of this approach needs to be examined. Also, one of the Korean researcher found that Korean teachers' use of technologies is more likely for the convenience of teaching rather than as a teaching pedagogical approach, teaching method for the students' learning outcome. We also learned that even though Korean teacher who received the annual training, they have lower self-efficacy compared to U.S. teacher. That means maybe this large difference between these teachers' efficacy between these countries maybe is result of the difference in their ability, attitude, capability to use technology before entering the teacher profession. Although these studies investigate on teacher efficacy of technology among in-service teachers, it is necessary to investigate the diversity of competence and awareness of technology utilization before entering the teaching profession. That means teacher training. We look at the teacher preparation programs between two countries. We rarely find any standard and any policy for teacher preparation program in Korea, but we found a lot of solid uh, in teacher preparation program in relation to technology integration. There's a lot of standard. They demand the technology integration in teacher preparation. That's the best example is the National Council for Accreditation for Teacher Education and National Instructional Technology Teacher Standard that all include technology in the teacher preparation program. So we believe that it is necessary to prepare policy to strengthen technology in education by conducting in-depth and specific perception survey on teacher digital competency and technology efficacy to find out which aspects and content are difficult and need support in Korea. And identifying this current state of a teacher's belief and actual situation, and then preparing policy that reflect them, it will be possible to create real digital-based education innovation for future generation in Korea. That is it. Thank you for listening to my presentation.